Blogger Roundup. It's myOrganized.life live, February 22nd, 2019, or as you would say, 2222019.
Oh,
okay.
I didn't even think about that.
I know, but
wow,
it loses
that's
it
a
after
stretch.
the 019.
Yeah, it kind of loses its luster.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
Wish it could be 222. I suppose in 2022 it could be 22222. So that is...
No, because there's still a 0 in there.
I know, but you could, some people abbreviate the year 2019 could be 19.
True.
So,
anyway.
Well, that would be how, so it's 2019, 2021, that's 3 years from now.
Are
if
we
we're
still
still
doing
doing
this
the
show?
3 years from now.
Oh, what will the set look like? What will this tree look like?
I think, it'll be February, so it'll still be still be snowy outside. We're not even talking about February
let's not talk about the weather
snow.
here.
It's terrible. Okay, well, what this is, though, is myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, occasional numerology lessons, talk about our tree, and but on Fridays it is
your favorite show
and yours, which is
Blogger Roundup.
Blogger Roundup. Oh, there we go.
So this morning I went around and scoured the World Wide Web and found
a couple things, didn't you?
I found a few blogs that we're going to talk about.
And I think when I peeked at it, it looked like we have done a few of these bloggers
these are all
before. Veteran bloggers?
Yes, that's the word. Yeah.
Great. Okay.
First one up is
the
president of NAPO herself, Ellen Lappe, professional-organizer.com. How to set up an organized home. Your tech spots.
Oh yeah.
So
she's
kind of doing this series on organizing your home, and now
is she though at the next NAPO show? Is she going to be done as president? Because she started last May.
The next NAPO show is in April, in just 6 weeks, I think. I'll be going there. So watch.
Shout out.
And I think her presidency.
Is it a 1 year or 2 year thing?
Well, I think it's 2, but I think
it
ends.
Then they have a past president and an incoming. Well, we'll have to, Ellen, if you're watching, you'll have to comment.
In the comments.
Yeah, let us know.
Yep.
Okay.
She did tell me who the next president was, but I can't remember.
So in an organized home, she's talking about tech spots. What are tech spots?
An organized home has 4 important components for living an easy, organized life. These are different zones that help you accomplish the basics. Okay. So your tech spots. Technology can rule and ruin the day in your home. There's so many devices, so much connectivity, and so get your stuff organized with a plan. Have a common charging spot.
Ooh, that is a great idea.
Do you guys have one of those?
I do, because I have a little home office, and I have my charger just plugged in there.
Yeah, it's nice. Then you're not dragging the charger. Maybe you have a couple. You have one in the kitchen.
The only problem is when you get your kids who start stealing your charger because they lost theirs.
You can buy like a 6-pack on Amazon.
I know.
I've done that, and they're like miles long.
Yes.
Labeling. So everything has tons of cords lately. It seems like the more technologically advanced we get, there's still so many cords.
Yeah, I know, and everything's supposed to be wireless. But
you look behind a TV, it's like, oh my gosh.
How can they call a cell phone wireless when you need a wire? Although the new ones, I have the one where you can charge it.
The pod?
Well, it's the iPhone where you charge it on. But the problem is
that still has to be plugged in.
Well, but the charger thing, you're right. It does.
Yeah, so
the charger thing also, you can't use it because you have the cover on the phone.
Oh.
So you'd have to take it off.
Mine charges through the cover. I don't have an iPhone, but yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, but yes, there needs to be a way where we can just cut the cords.
Yes,
that's next.
Nice.
That is next, I believe.
Next, yes.
Anyway, label your cords.
Okay.
So you're not, wondering where does this go, and I think you can buy those little tags or
there's all kinds.
You can just label with masking tape.
Go on Pinterest. There's a million little things. Reuse the the little things that you get on a loaf of bread.
Yeah, the twisties.
Take those. Have you seen that? People do that.
I've seen that.
There's all kinds of things.
Okay, so smart home stuff.
Okay.
Thanks to your friends Alexa and Siri for helping us each day, and these features make life easier, like controlling your thermostat or choosing a strong password.
Okay, I got a funny Alexa story.
Okay.
It just happened this morning. I was in the gym.
Oh, gosh.
And there was 2 people, I overheard 2 people talking, and they were just introduced. Oh, she goes, my name is Alexa. And I said, Alexa, do my workout for me. But she didn't laugh like that. She was kind of,
She's kind of like, yeah, I've heard it before, thanks.
Yeah, no, who is this dorky guy? Hopefully she's not watching the show
Hopefully
today.
she knows what the joke was.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure. If your name is Alexa,
I guess you've had to heard it before.
I think you've heard that joke before.
Yeah, I know.
So
I've got Natalie
if you are watching
controlling
Alexa, sorry about that.
Alexa, turn on the podcast, or what is this? Our show, not the podcast.
Yeah, turn on Facebook Live. Okay.
Let's see, tech during homework time. Let's see, if you want to track your use of your technology during your homework, you can use some rescue time if you want to block segments of the internet or to stay focused, stuff like that. Just call on those apps that can help you. And then the tech graveyard. There comes a time when your tech dies.
Yeah.
And
you just put it on the shelf.
Yeah, put it on a shelf and then, or in a drawer.
See, I still have my BlackBerry. I do, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Well, for a while the kids would like play from, I didn't have my own cell phone. But now when you have like 15 of those, various cell phones that don't work anymore.
Yes.
Oh yeah. What are you supposed to do with those?
Well, don't create a tech graveyard and take action when you get a new piece.
Yeah.
So maybe recycle it or donate it.
Just
don't keep all those.
It is tough.
Cluttered up.
I know.
Anyway,
okay,
back to
put
the slide up.
up.
Let's see. Professional-organizer.com, how to set up an organized home, and then talking about your tech spots.
Nice. Ellen the Lappe. We love it, Ellen. Okay,
thanks,
next
Ellen.
one up is Organizing Maniacs, and that's organizingmaniacs.com. Chris Scott. And this is 6 tips to stay organized when caring for elderly parents.
So, hunt children if you're watching.
No, that was, she asked me, do you want to do this? And I go, yeah, but not because my kids are taking care of me. We are taking care of my wife's mother right now. So, anyway.
That was my joke for the day. You have the Alexa joke. That's my joke.
Yeah, you see me laughing at that one. Thanks a lot. Anyway, these are some great tips here from Chris, which is talk with your parent and assess their needs. That is assuming they can have a rational conversation.
Oh, that's kind of tough.
So I would dovetail on that. Talk to them early on. When they still can think about.
Yeah.
Fortunately, our mother-in-law is pretty good. She does have a knack though to buy things online.
Don't we all?
But we're spending at least once a week sending things back to Groupon.
Oh no.
Or she might order like 2 or 3 things.
Oh.
So, but I think part of it is the technology. She hits the buy button and doesn't realize she's
proceed to checkout. Buy. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that was easy. I'm done.
Anyway.
Yep.
But talk to them. I mean, talking is always good. Keep a journal. It is great to take notes on issues you're dealing with, and my wife does kind of like that, especially for like keeping track of the medicines and things like that.
Yep.
Use a backpack or briefcase for important documents.
Ooh.
Or you could use our Life Docs organizer.
Are we going to plug something here?
Well,
we're going to shameless plug since we missed Solution Day because of your illness.
Yes, and then we did the podcast on Thursday instead of Wednesday.
Right.
But it all works out.
All right, so plug it. We can do it. It's our show.
Should we put up a slide for it?
Yes.
The Life Docs organizer.
Sure.
Life Documents organizer. This is a great thing that keeps your important documents in place. Yeah. Okay. Have duplicates. Now, this is an interesting tip. Not every document can be replaced immediately. If important paperwork has been lost or destroyed, it can slow the care your parents receive. Keep duplicates of all essential information. You can probably scan that, or you can keep a physical copy.
Yep.
But definitely duplicates are good. Keep a bag of their personal must-haves. So just personal items.
Keep the bag?
Well, it says if your parent is in assisted living, which ours is, keep a bag of their personal items. So things like a Sharpie for labeling clothes and personal items, as well as their favorite, things like maybe candies or whatever they like to enjoy. So that when you go on a visit, you can just maybe grab the bag.
Got it.
This is kind of like a car kit you'd have for a kid, maybe.
Sure.
But it's for your parent.
Yeah, good idea.
And here's another shout out to tech. The last one is leverage your mobile apps.
Okay, what are they saying?
We're not sure how we managed without our cell phones. It's hard to manage the affairs of elderly parents without them. A calendar maybe that offers notifications, reminders, to-do lists. So, just keeping track of them. And it's really interesting. So my mother-in-law is in assisted living.
Yep.
And they have like little classes there. And they have lots of activities. One of the classes they had for them was how to use Uber. And how to,
oh, really?
Because, most of them can't drive. So they taught them how to use Uber so they can get
they can get a ride somewhere.
Get a ride share. So anyway, put the slide up. That is 6 tips to stay organized when caring for elderly parents. Organizingmaniacs.com.
All right.
Final
last one. The Shana method. Shana Turner. Anchors in your house.
Okay.
So this is interesting. She was on vacation recently, which I saw some Instagram pics. She was all
conveniently during all the snow, right?
Yes,
thanks
I know.
a lot. We really appreciate those.
Yeah. So she was sitting on
Not that we've had any snow here.
No.
Okay.
She was sitting on the beach and it was really windy. Everyone's stuff was blowing away, so her mind started wandering, and she was talking about anchors and anchoring in your home. So she says, fortunately, most of us don't have strong winds gusting through our homes, and as a result, the needing of an anchor may seem unnecessary. However, other forces often blow through your homes, such as
1-year-olds and 3-year-olds.
1-year-olds and 3-year-olds.
Yes,
family members who just stuff items into drawers or closets to make the space look clean. Seasonal or temporary items that just get tossed. I'll take care of that wreath later.
Yes.
The thoughtful people who clean up for you, and then, it's like the whole dishwasher thing. People that freak out when other people load their dishwasher.
Yes.
Because they load it wrong, and then the company leaves, and you have to take everything out and redo it.
Oh, yeah.
And then just cleaning services, gathers items and stuffs them into bags and stuff that you're not sure of or where they went. And so here's some of the lessons that she learned.
By the way, her article has some great pictures.
Great pictures,
so if you
all
want
from
to
her
be
vacation.
Inspired, just go over there. Yeah, definitely.
Right. So items are more likely to stay put when they are attached to a fixed object.
Well, that's like an anchor, right? It's
Right, yeah. So like
okay.
keys on a ring, change in a jar, ties on a rack, clothes on a hanger, stuff like that, pens in a jar. So just kind of think of that.
Good point.
And then the items that live in windy zones may need an especially...
Like a bigger anchor.
A bigger anchor. And she uses the example, which is a great example. She's so smart.
Yes.
Think of the pen at the bank on the string.
Yes.
Like, everyone comes in and uses the pen, and 9 times out of 10 people are going to walk away, but if they're tethered, they can't. They have to let the pen go.
Yes.
So
good.
Think about that. And anchors only work if you are attached to them. So, and she goes in to talk about, like we said in Ellen's article, chargers. Maybe have one station where your computer, if you have a laptop and you carry it around, just keep the charging area in the one single place.
Yeah, that's
she said she had a client who she visited or came to visit her or something, and her cord was all jumbled because this woman always carried her laptop places and brought the cord. Yep. And Shana suggested, why don't you have a couple cords in different spots? So
right, or one in the bag and one at home.
Right, something like that.
Nice. Okay.
And then like students' work supplies, keep the calculators and the paper all in one area, so it's anchored to that spot.
I like it.
It's a great article.
The thing about the pen made me think about what some people do if they don't have the little,
They put the gigantic flower on it.
Yeah, or something like that. So it's I can't really stuff that into my coat because it's got this
in
huge
my purse.
thing on it.
I know.
Right. Well, let's put the slide up for that one. That is
right.
Shana Turner, the Shana Method, and anchors in your house. Okay.
Yes.
Another blogger roundup wrapped up. Those were good ones.
Good articles today.
From some of the best pros in the business. We like it. So that's why the show is so good. We end the week on a high. And then we'll be ready for next week. Hopefully not more snow or sickness. So
coming this weekend, I know.
I know. So we will be back on Monday next week too, on Wednesday, part 2 of the Perry Kirsch.
That's an awesome episode.
It's a great one. It's called Decision Fatigue.
But she talks about the life rules to live by.
10 rules to live by.
Yeah, it's great.
Because we get so many, we have to make so many decisions every day. So if you missed that, you can go watch the podcast. It's everywhere now because we released it yesterday. And so you can, it's right here on Facebook. You can go to YouTube, myOrganized.life blog, or smead.com. It's everywhere.
And I have linked to it on Instagram.
Oh, we haven't promoted our Instagram.
Shout out to IG.
Yeah, myOrganized.life. Make sure you follow us there, and make sure you come back.
And thank you to the people who have been following us.
It's great. We're having fun with that.
Are.
Good. All right, well, we'll see you on Monday here, 2 Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific. It's myOrganized.life live. Get organized now at myOrganized.life. Need to turn those piles into files? We've got you covered. Hundreds of organizing products in a dazzling array of colors and sizes. There's an organizing solution for you. Shop online and they're delivered right to your office. Get organized now. Go to myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. Get organized now at myOrganized.life.